It is official. We are minting tokens in Drip. We have become inflationary. Today, we're going to go over exactly what you need to be doing today in preparation for this. Welcome to Beach Office 365, where I bring you the latest and greatest in crypto, DeFi, and passive income. As I said in the beginning, we have officially started minting new Drip tokens. The contract is working exactly as it was designed to work. I did a video yesterday where I went over my entire DeFi portfolio. Just like my regular portfolio, everything is pretty much down. All of those DeFi projects that I'm in, they've all cut rewards, they've all raised taxes, they've had to change things, they've had to do all these different things. Drip right now, the contract is working exactly as designed. It is continuing to pay 1% daily. So you're watching the price continue to bleed out. This is exactly what you need to do today. This is real. I really want you guys to hear this. This is important. This is critical. First, just breathe. Just take a breath. No sense pulling your hair out. Some of you probably are completely freaked out right now. Folks, oh, relax. Everyone, calm down. Are you ready? I'm gonna drop some serious alpha. Alpha. Who started that word anyway? This is what you need to do. Okay, step by step. Likely in this order, but it doesn't have to be. First thing you need to do is you need to put on one of Stunna Breezy's videos. Anyone will do, but one that he's made in the last few days, just to make sure that it's time relevant. Watch Stunna. He's by far, my favorite YouTuber. He just kind of helps you just get a little bit grounded in the fact like, yo, we good. Watch Stunna Breezy video. Have a good laugh. Relax. Comment, subscribe. Stunna, you are the man. You are the first video I watch every day, and you help just kind of ground me. I enjoy everything you have to say. Everyone needs to be watching him first thing. Next, once you're feeling like you're good, you're in check, go and put on one of Crypto King's videos. Now that kid, man, like, let me tell you, yeah, he's bullish every single day. Like, no, he's got conviction. He's got more conviction than anyone. And all I watch that kid do, by the way, all I watch him do is compound and give out Drip. He is way in profit. He bought in at 17 like 9 months ago. He is so far in profit. He could just be selling every day. He'd be good. But what I see him doing is compounding. I see him airdropping, and he's also dollar cost averaging. He's buying more Drip. Go watch Crypto Kings, get fired up, get over to the UI, compound. Not financial advice, obviously. Can't give financial advice, but come on. And while you're feeling all fired up, take a moment here, like this video, comment on this video, subscribe. It helps. If you are bullish on Drip, if you want Drip to have a rebound, if you want Drip to turn bullish, like my video. It will get out to more people. It really does help with the algorithm. And while we're at it, there are plenty of other YouTubers out there that are also putting out content, that are also big believers in the protocol, in Forex, in Drip. So get on over to their pages, hit the like button, subscribe to their channels, comment. I want to give a shout out to Austin Kirkland. He's someone that on pretty much every one of my videos, he drops a comment. And a lot of times he'll just put the letters FTA. I'd even ask him what that meant for the algorithm. He knows what's up. He's helping me. Austin, I appreciate you. Thank you for always being consistent, coming strong. When you drop those comments, any one of you, when you drop comments, when you hit the like, when you hit the subscribe, it helps any YouTuber in terms of getting their video out to more people. So be like Austin. Hashtag be like Austin. Looking at YouTube analytics, there's a lot of people that watch my content that are not subscribed. I promise you guys, like if you subscribe, I don't get your email. I'm not going to be sending you things. YouTube's not going to be sending you things. It's really, it's not going to take up any bandwidth in your mind. It's just a click. And don't just do it to me. Maybe you don't even like my videos. And if so, I don't even know why you're watching this one. But go out. There's other great YouTubers out there. If you want to know a list of who I like, no problem. Because one of the people that I was going to mention to definitely watch on a day like today is head over to my boy Lee, Driptopian. Driptopian. Listen to him. He just kind of keeps it real, like level, like, look, guys, this is what's up. This is where I'm at. I don't care what the price is doing. I'm thinking long-term. You also want to check out Scott the Investor. Big shout out to you. Matthew Piscotti, Drip Gardner. You definitely got to look over at him. He's doing some funny stuff. He's got good alpha in there. D Crypto Cat. Big shout out to you, my man. I'm going to put a link, all right, to every one of these YouTube channels down below so you guys can check these out. Drip Talk, always bring in the heat. And if you really want to get into some real like alpha type stuff, really a deep dive into tokenomics and the understanding of the protocols, you definitely want to check out Drip Tips, okay? You also want to check out the Drip Guide. Brandon over at the Drip Guide, he's always putting out live AMAs where you can tune in and actually ask questions, and he's there for you. Easy Step Investing, you know I'm a big fan of him. I always leave a link for him down below because he talks about the Reservoir, which is something I'm passionate about. And while we're on the Reservoir, big shout out to Making Maxis. Definitely go check out his stuff. He makes these great apparel. You can get shirts, hats, coffee mugs. He's also got a blog where he talks about the Reservoir. You really want to go check out his site. By the way, folks, I don't have like a referral link for any of this stuff, so I'm not making any money. And I have no problem shilling you guys stuff. Like, I will gladly do it. I said that in my last video. It's just got to provide value. At least I got to believe it provides value. So if I don't think it's going to provide any value, I'm not going to just shill something to shill it. But I'll shill stuff. Don't get me wrong. This person provides value. Easy Step Investing provides value. Drip Talks provides value. All of these guys that I'm mentioning, they're all out there every day doing the research, putting out content, helping to keep us informed. This is what you should consume yourself with. If you don't think Drip is going to make it, then I understand. Like, you can get out. It's totally fine. There's times where I will exit, you know what I mean, a trade, because I would feel better playing it safe because of the risk that's involved. I would feel better playing it safe, even if that means after I exit, whatever I'm invested in goes to the moon. So there's some times where it's like, you know, the risk reward, I'd rather break even on this or take a small gain, even though that means I'm going to be missing out on the long run should it go off to the moon. So if you're sort of on the fence today about like, what do I do? Like, the price just keeps going down. Understand, might be time to just slowly start cutting your losses, right? And every day, just claim and sell, okay? Just know that if all of us on YouTube that are talking about Drip is the greatest thing ever, if we're right, a year from now, how are you gonna feel when Drip goes to the moon and you've claimed all that you can? Just not giving financial advice. I'm sharing the way that I think about things, which doesn't mean that it's the right thing. You know, I'm sharing how I feel. I'm sharing how I'm looking at this. And when I look at Drip and everything that I've done, if I were to just trying to start recouping my investment now, yes, that would be playing it safe. And that is something that I've done with many projects, with many trades, with many stocks, many DeFi projects. There's nothing wrong with playing it safe. When it comes to Drip, I would rather lose big going for the win than play it safe, recoup my money, and then a year from now think, damn, I wish I would have gone for the win. I bring that, you know, kind of funny, ridiculous sounding logic to a lot of the things that I do when it comes to investing, because I have sold early and then watched something go off to Pluto, and that hurts. So I'd rather just kind of prepare myself. All right, am I good if if I just go down on a sinking ship? Yeah, I'd rather go down on a sinking ship, swinging for the fences on this one. I don't think it's a sinking ship, by the way. So as long as Drip doesn't go to zero and I'm patient, I'm gonna make money. Call me crazy, guys. Light up my comments below. I welcome everybody. All the haters, all the FUD, all the positive, whatever you want, light it up. Let's go. Let me know what you think. Catch you guys on the next one.